Hello everyone, from Solomon David Official, and Merry Christmas once again. But wait, have you noticed something strange about this December 2025? Where's the harmattan? Where's the dusty breeze and dry lips? Instead, it's just clouds everywhere, and in some places, it's even raining. Raining in December? Unbelievable, right? So, what's really going on? Normally, harmattan comes from dry winds blowing in from the Sahara Desert, usually around late November to January. But this year, global climate changes, rising temperatures, and shifts in wind patterns are disturbing that flow. Instead of dry, dusty skies, we're seeing more moisture in the air. That's why the weather feels confusing, cloudy, humid, and yes, even rainy in some parts of Nigeria. It's a clear sign that climate change isn't just a theory anymore, it's affecting us right here, right now. For more educational and interesting content like this, don't forget to follow Solomon David. See you in the next one.